Life's short, but it's the longest thing that you never do. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is what you need to. Don't let no one invalidate what you're going through. Don't be a fool, work on making your life comfortable. Every day we make what? Water with water wash. No matter how I spend my change, inside I won't ever change. If you're real, you feel the vibes, we don't need to explain. If it ain't, then it ain't. We don't force, we don't claim. How you think you're gonna grow if you always shift the blame? You think it's real clout, but you're tarnishing your name. You ain't gotta say it just because you thought it in your brain. Think they rapping cause they rhyming, me and them we ain't the same.